Every day, our bodies face invisible enemies, free radicals. These unstable molecules are made naturally, but when they build up, they can damage cells and speed up aging. That's where molecular hydrogen comes in. The smallest molecule in the universe. Because it's so tiny, hydrogen diffuses fast. It can enter your bloodstream and spread through the body in seconds. H2 slips across cell membranes. It enters a heart muscle cell, a cardiomyocyte, and travels deeper, right into the mitochondria, where your energy is made. And this is where trouble happens. Harmful free radicals, especially hydroxyl radicals, attack vital cell components and disrupt normal function. But when molecular hydrogen meets these radicals, something remarkable happens. H2 reacts with hydroxyl radicals, turning them into harmless water. Then your body expels it naturally. And this isn't just theory. Around the world, scientists are actively studying molecular hydrogen. There are now over 2,000 scientific publications, including 100+ human studies, exploring how hydrogen may help manage oxidative stress and support healthier inflammatory responses. By easing the burden of excess oxidative stress, hydrogen helps your cells stay in balance, so your body can do what it was designed to do: repair, renew, and thrive. This is how nature's smallest molecule helps bring balance back to your body. Pure protection, pure energy.
Hydrome, the science of hydrogen.